Hello everyone, welcome to Engineered. So from today we will be discussing objective questions from stones, and we will cover almost every questions on stones from different books. So this is the first part, and we discuss here only 50 questions. So let's go to the first question. First question says the properties of material. So this is a bit out of context from the stone, but I thought it should be here, so I particularly mentioned here. The properties of materials is influenced by internal structure, external structure, constituents, and all of the above. The answer is all of the above. The effects of chemical on any building materials is studied under the chemical means, so chemical properties, right? So it's chemical properties. The effect of temperature on any building materials is studied under the temperature means it is related to thermal, right? So thermal properties. The color of statuary marble used for sculpture work is white. Sandstone is a what? Sedimentary rock, right? And it is from the fragmental type. There are organic type, fragmental type, right? Fragmental type, organic type, and chemical type. So this is fragmental type sedimentary rock. This includes breccia, sand, gravel, carbonate, conglomerate, right? So our answer is sandstone is sedimentary rock. Sandstone contains mostly what? Sandstone contains mostly quartz, lime, and silica. Limestone is a sedimentary rock, right? Obviously, right? It is also called aqueous rock, right? And it is a type of organogenous sedimentary rock. Sandstone was fragmental, and limestone is organogenous, resulting from the accumulation of plants and animal remains. And these include shale, chalk, diatomite, and tripoli. This is also one of the question important. Tripoli is a sedimentary rock. Question number 8, slate stone is a metamorphic rock, right? Obtained from metamorphosis of shale and mudstone. And slate is an excellent roofing material because it has the property of least water absorption, right? Next question. Marble is a metamorphic rock, right? And it's formed by the metamorphosis of marble, limestone, or dolomite. And marble contains lime and silica, right? Marble is a what kind of rock? So if you see here in the physical characteristics, here marble is a stratified rocks. Otherwise, most of our metamorphic rocks are foliated rocks, right? Most of the metamorphic rocks are foliated rocks, but marble is a what? Stratified rock. So our answer will be stratified. Don't get confused, right? This stone used for roof covering is, obviously we have discussed this earlier, slate, right? The main component of igneous rocks is the main component is what? Silica, right? So answer is silica. Sandstone is a what kind of sedimentary kind of rock, right? We have already discussed about this. So they are fragmental, organogenous, and chemical kind of sedimentary rock, right? And sandstone is a fragmental type sedimentary rock. Tripoli is a type of sedimentary rock. We have already discussed about this also. And pumice is a igneous rock, which is a lighter stone, and it can float in water as well. So this floats in water. Floats in water, and is lightweight as well. So types of rock used for lightweight concrete is pumice, right? You can see here pumice used as aggregate for lightweight concrete. Stone used for piles of bridge abutment, foundation, stone, roadworks is granite. Granites are the types of what? Siliceous rocks, right? Granite is a siliceous rock. Which of line is a mineral? If you talk about mineral, laterite is a swell, right? Rock or swell, you can call it swell. And calcite is a mineral, right? Because it is a mineral with the hardness number, Mohs hardness 3, right? Okay. Quartz is a mineral, but quartzite is not a mineral. Don't get confused here also. So talc is the hardness number is 1, and for gypsum it is 2. For calcite it is 3. And you need to remember this scratched by the thumbnail is 2, right? Scratched by thumbnail is 2 gypsum. And you need to remember this quartz not scratched by steel. Not scratched by steel, this is 7. So you need to remember this, and diamond is 10. Okay, calcite is a mineral, right? And it is basically calcium carbonate. Okay, which of the following is a mineral? So this is the answer. Slate is formed from the metamorphic action on shell, right? SHAL cell, if you see here, shell to slate. Gravel is a type of, gravel is a sedimentary rock of fragmental type, right? So if you see in the fragmental sedimentary rock, it is sandstone, sand, gravel, conglomerate and breccia. Basalt is a extrusive igneous rock, or also called effusive rock, when the magma solidifies in the surface of the earth, right? Basalt and trap. Which of the rock? Gypsum is a monomineralic rock, right? So this is a monomineralic rock, so we can call gypsum is a rock here. So gypsum is a hydrated sulfate of calcium, and it is known as CaSO4.2H2O, right? And plaster of Paris is CaSO4.12H2O. This is plaster of Paris. Conglomerate is a sedimentary rock, fragmental type, right? So fragmental type, sedimentary rock. This is conglomerate. Question number 26. Which of the following is the reason for the decrease in the use of stones as building material? Option A is steel and RCC are less bulky and more durable. Strength of stones cannot be rationally analyzed. Stones are not conveniently available in plains, and all of the above. If you see here, stones are gradually losing their universal use as a building material because of following reason. The first one, it is being bulky, strong, and more durable. So important buildings these days are being constructed of steel or RCC because of their being less bulky. So if the RCC is less bulky, and so although less bulky, it will be stronger, right, and more durable. So why use stones? So that's the first one. And second is its strength cannot be rationally analyzed, right? The third one is cheaply not cheap. Stones are not cheap in plains, right? Because they are not conveniently available. So they may be available in other places where there can be cheaper. So the answer is all of the above. The solidification of molten magma when it reaches the surface of the earth result in the formation of the surface of the earth. So if the solid solidifies in the surface of the earth, it is basalt and rock, that is effusive or extrusive rock, right? So that is basalt and trap. The solidification of molten magma within the earth crust, that is within the earth crust, means granite and pegmatite, right? Because they are plutonic rocks. Identify the process responsible for the formation of sedimentary rocks. So for the sedimentary rock, it has to deposit, right, in the layers. So deposited layers of sand, this is the answer. Option number C is the answer. Identify the process responsible for the formation of igneous rocks. For the igneous rock, the molten mass should be solidified, right? So the first one is the answer, solidification of molten mass of silicates below or at the surface of the earth. Option A is the answer. Question number 31, identify the process responsible for the formation of metamorphic rocks. So due to high temperature and pressure, it should change, right? So the option B is answer. Changes in texture or mineral composition or both of igneous and sedimentary rocks due to high temperature and heavy pressure. Question number 32, under metamorphism, which of the following change is correct? So under metamorphism, granite changes to what? Gneiss, right? And sandstone changes to quartzite, and limestone changes to what? Marble. So all of these are correct. The argillaceous rocks have their principal constituent as clay, right? So based on the chemical characteristics, the classification of rocks can be done as argillaceous, siliceous, and calcareous. And the principal constituent for argillaceous is clay, Al2O3, right? And examples are slate, laterite, and kaolin as well. Kaolin is also argillaceous. Okay. The physical classification divides the rock into 3 categories, right? The first one is stratified, unstratified, and foliated. So the answer is stratified, unstratified, and foliated. For the chemical classification, it is argillaceous, siliceous, and calcareous. And for the geological classification, it is igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. The minerals found in rocks are quartz, feldspar, mica are the minerals found in rock, right? Slate is a metamorphic rocks obtained from structural chains of what? Shale. We have already discussed about this. Shale change to slate. The rock having tendency to split in a definite direction is called foliated structure, and most of the metamorphic rocks a foliated structure except for quartzite and marble, right? So the answer is foliated. Quarry sap is found in what? Fresh stone, right? A freshly caught stone carries some natural moisture known as quarry sap, and that makes it soft and workable. Okay. Brad test is done for finding of what? Brad test is done for frost resistance. We see here, it is done for frost resistance. Mica mainly is composed of what? Mica is mainly composed of, if you see here, mica, there is muscovite and there is biotite. Biotite is a black mica, right? Muscovite is a white mica. And if you see in the here, the silicates of alumina with hydrogen, iron and magnesium, right? So, and if you see here also, you can get potassium and aluminum silicates, right? So the answer is potassium and aluminum silicate. If you see here, silicates of alumina with hydrogen, iron and magnesium. If you see here, silicates of aluminum with hydrogen and potash, right? Potassium and aluminum silicate. That is the answer. Rocks having silica as main constituent are called what? It is siliceous rock, right? The rocks having calcium carbonate as main mineral constituent is known as calcareous rock. In the chemical formula of dolomite is MgCO3.CaCO3. Kaolin is a argillaceous rock. Question number 46. Trap is basalt and traps are effusing igneous rock, right? So it is igneous rock. The minimum hardness number for marble is about 3 because calcite has the hardness number of 3, right? And marble is made up of some calcite minerals, right? So the answer is 3. Granite contains primarily what? Granite contains primarily quartz and feldspar, and it contains very little mica as well. Question number 49. Common sand is a variety of what? Common sand is a variety of quartz, right? If you see here, common sand is a variety of what? Quartz. Single is a water-bound pebble. Single is not a decomposed ladder, right? Single is water-bound pebbles. Decomposed laterite is murram. And this is single. Don't get confused. The answer given in our augur is wrong, right? So answer is here is water-bound pebble. You can also see here what singles are water-bound pebbles. The answer is water-bound pebbles. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching.